Cryptocurrency has become such a buzzword nowadays. Cryptocurrencies are widely volatile and we all are aware of it. One of such cryptocurrency is Ethereum, which is second in market value only to Bitcoin as of December 2021. And when we are talking about Ethereum, there is always Ethash algorithm. But question arises, what is Ethash? Or how does Ethash work? Or how does Ethereum mining works? Well, all these questions will be answered in this video. So, let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. First of all, let me tell you guys, this video is just for education purpose and here are the points we will cover today. Let's see one by one. So friends, Ethash is currently a widely used algorithm. Ethash was designed to be the network mining algorithm Ethereum. This mining algorithm is the result of the union of various algorithms to give it origin. First, Ethash depends on the hash function called Kechak of SHA-3. In addition to this function, it also uses a version of the Dagger and Hashimoto hashes, for which Ethash was initially known as Dagger-Hashimoto. The cryptocurrencies that are mined using these algorithms are Ethereum, Ethereum Classic, Kodak Coin, Music Coin, Ubique, Bell Coin, and so on. To understand how Ethash works, you first have to know what is Dagger-Hashimoto and how does it relate to Ethash. Dagger is an algorithm created by Vitalik Buterin. It uses directed acyclic graph to achieve memory hard computations and memory easy validations at the same time. Hashimoto is an algorithm created by Thaddeus Dryja, designed to make memory reads the limiting factors in the mining process. Hashimoto relied on the idea that RAM is a more generic ingredient than computation, making RAM more optimal for evaluating algorithms. Dagger-Hashimoto aims to simultaneously satisfy two goals. First, ASIC resistance. Design the algorithm such that specialized hardware like ASIC miners are not significantly more profitable to mine with than non-specialized hardware such as CPUs and GPUs, making Ethereum's mining less centralized. Second, light client verifiability. A block should be relatively efficiently verifiable by a light client. Now let's see how does the Ethash algorithm work. The basic operation of this algorithm is completely different from the original Dagger-Hashimoto, but the fundamental principles remain the same. A calculated seed is created using the block headers up to the point where mining begins. This seed is then used to calculate and generate a 16 MB pseudo-random cache. This cache is then used to generate data set of more than 4 GB, that is the DAG. This data set is semi-permanent and is updated every 30,000 blocks. In this way, the DAG varies for each mining season. Once the DAG is generated, mining begins. This process takes random values from the DAG and combines them using the data supplied by the network and the transactions to be verified. Finally, verification is done with a process that regenerates specific parts of the dataset using the cache memory, speeding up this process. Ethereum mining is nothing but the increasing the volume of ether in circulation. It also means securing the Ethereum network while creating, verifying, and ad blocking the blockchain. Compared to mining Bitcoin, Ethereum mining takes up a lot of electricity and computational power. Depending on the type of processes and hardware used, there are several different ways you can mine Ethereum. CPU mining, GPU mining, ASIC mining, cloud mining, solo mining, and pool mining. The decision you make will be based on key factors, such as whether you are willing to own a mining rig or how much you intend to initially invest. Particularly, it will also depend on the factors such as the amount you want to invest, whether you want to mine with a rig or not. If so, what rig do you own? Cloud mining and GPU mining are popular methods of mining Ethereum. ASIC mining is unpredictable nowadays, while it isn't financially viable to mine using a CPU. However, one of the best ways that experts believe one can mine Ethereum is through the Ethereum mining pool. Pool mining Ethereum allows you to lower the volatility of your payouts. This is done by offering you smaller but more frequent payouts instead of a lump sum amount that you receive only after a block has been solved. Always try to choose a mining pool that provides you with the lowest fees and reliable terms. First of all, make sure to install all graphics card drivers. Now let's see step by step. Step 1. Select a mining pool. The first thing you need to do is to join a mining pool. By using a mining pool, you are sharing resources, which lowers the cost of running mining rigs. Depending on the quality of structure of the mining group, your chances of finding a block are massively improved. Some of the best mining pools includes F2 Pool, Spark Pool, Nano Pool, Ethermine, and Mining Pool Hubs. Here we have chosen Ethermine because it is arguably the most popular mining pool. It possesses features such as anonymous mining, a real-time PPLNS payout schemes, and a low fee of 1%. To join the mining pool, all you need is your wallet address. There is no need to sign up, which allows you to mine anonymously. Next step is creating a cryptocurrency wallet. You will need to create a crypto wallet to store your Ethereum if you don't have one already. You can choose a software or hardware wallet depending on your preferences. Security should be your priority while choosing the best crypto wallet. You can select any cryptocurrency wallet that support Ethereum. And guys, these are some crypto wallets: Coinbase wallet, Exodus wallet, Ledger Nano X crypto wallet, MetaMask, and Treasure One. You can choose any one of these. Let's move to our next step, that is selecting mining software. And these are some mining software: Easy Miner, ETH Miner, Trust Cloud Miner, Kudo Miner, and Dagger-Hash. Easy Miner and ETH Miner are two good examples. We are going to use ETH Miner for this. You can download the ETH Miner mining software. We are going to use ETH Miner for this guide, which you can simply download it from GitHub. You can download the ETH Miner as per your system requirements. ETH Miner provides a default setting that works well for most graphics process units. Go ahead and use that settings and start by copying it from the website. Our next step is creating BAT file. To start the mining process, you need to create a BAT file. ETH Miner provides a default setting that works well for the most graphic process unit. You can go ahead and copy this code and save it to your new BAT file. Let's say startmining.bat and paste it. Next, you have to edit this file and select the server close to your location along with the backup server. For this, we are using Asia as the main server and Europe as a backup server. Follow this by a dot and your mining machine name. Here is the batch file we already created, that is startmining.bat, where we paste the copied informations from the site. Where we use Asia as our main server and Europe as our backup server. As you can see here, this is the Ethereum wallet address where miner can receive the mining fee, followed with the mining machine name. Now it's time to save the file and execute the batch file to start mining. Our last step, that is step 5, starting the mining process. Once you execute the batch file to start mining, it will take about 2 minutes. Once you see the hash rate appear on the console, the process has begun. So that's all about this Ethereum mining. I hope you guys understand. If you like this video, please do share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel.